Okay, what is the business judgment rule? In previous videos, we've talked about the duties of officers and directors to the corporation, okay? And particularly the duty of to act in good faith or in the interest of the corporation. And then to exercise the duty of care, informed business decisions with a justified rationale that are not illegal. And then a duty of care to not usurp business opportunities or to enter into self-dealing transactions with the corporation. Now, as long as as long as the officer or director act in good faith, that is, with the best interest of the corporation in mind, then the standard duty of care is raised by the business judgment rule. That is, an officer or director who acts negligently in causing harm to the corporation, as long as they acted in good faith and with the intent to benefit the corporation. All right. Even though a reasonable person would not have acted in that way, they did have the best interest of the corporation in mind or at heart when making the decisions or undertaking certain actions. Then they are protected or shielded from liability to the corporation if harmed by their actions. Okay. It basically requires that a director or shareholder intentionally harm the corporation, act with such level of recklessness that is a substantial certainty that a harm will occur, and they're completely act with disregard to that potential harm. This could lead to liability. But a really important thing to note is that if the officer or director is not acting in a disinterested manner, if they are in some way breaching their duty of loyalty to the corporation, then the business judgment rule does not protect that. Okay. So it raises the standard for liability pursuant to their duty of care, as long as there's no violation of the requirement to act in good faith and the duty of loyalty.